Roadmap to become a QA tester. Want to become a QA tester? Here's your complete roadmap to get started. What does a QA tester do? A QA tester is responsible for testing software applications to ensure they work properly before reaching users. QA testers help companies deliver reliable, bug-free, and high-quality software. Where it's used, QA testing is used everywhere, from websites and mobile apps to banking systems, gaming platforms, and enterprise software. Start with the basics. Understand what software testing is and why quality assurance is important in software development. Learn the fundamentals of STLC and SDLC processes. Learn different types of test and understand manual testing, functional testing, regression testing, smoke testing, usability testing, and performance testing. Learn when and why each testing method is used. Master manual testing. Learn how to write test cases, test scenarios, and bug reports. Understand how to identify issues and document them clearly for developers. Work with testing tools. Use tools like Jira, Trello, or Bugzilla for bug tracking and project management. Learn how QA teams manage issues and workflows. Learn automation testing. Start learning tools like Selenium, Cypress, or Playwright to automate repetitive testing tasks. Automation skills are highly valuable in modern QA roles. Understand programming basics. Learn basic programming concepts using Java, Python, or JavaScript. This helps in writing automation scripts and understanding application logic. Learn API and database testing. Use tools like Postman to test APIs. Learn SQL basics to validate and test database records. Build real projects. Practice testing websites, apps, or demo platforms to gain hands-on experience. Create a portfolio with test cases, bug reports, and automation projects. Be ready for challenges. QA testing can involve tight deadlines, repetitive testing, and identifying hidden bugs. Attention to detail is extremely important. Think like a QA engineer. Focus on quality, user experience, and reliability. Always think from the user's perspective while testing applications. Build reliable software. Start your journey today and become a QA tester, helping create high-quality software product.